Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I am Amit, and today we will learn the very basic chapter of class 11, that is chapter 1, getting started with Python. And I hope that you all are good and well. So let's start. Today in this session we will come to know about Python programming, a brief history of Python, features of Python, various applications of Python programming, disadvantages of Python, and we will see how to install Python in our machine, how to open Python, how to work with Python, different modes of operation in Python, and finally we will see the various distributions of Python. Before starting actually about Python, I will give you a short introduction about programming language and program. A programming language is a formal language which comprises a set of instructions that produces various kinds of output as per the input. Programming language consists of instruction for computer. Some real life examples of program are calculator, washing machine, modern electronic equipment, etc. that works on the instruction given by user. Now we will see what is a Python language. A Python is nothing but a general purpose, high level interpreted, dynamically typed language. The word general purpose resembles a language designed to be used for writing software in various application domains without being restricted to a particular domain. In simple words, we can say Python can be used in variety of domains. Being high level language is a programming with strong abstraction from details of the computer. It uses natural language element be easier to use or may automate significant area of computing system, which makes the program more simpler and more understandable. Python is an interpreted language. That means the Python file is executed in the same format in which we are creating the script, that is, we are writing a Python program line by line, and in the same way the Python program is executed. Python program is dynamically typed. Python variable assignment is different from some of popular languages like C, C++, Java, where we have to specify the data type of the variable used. But in Python, there is no use of declaration of variable, just an assignment statement is used to define the data type of a variable. Being dynamically typed means that the Python parser automatically infers or identifies the types of variable on the basis of what kind of data we have assigned to variable. Now, the brief history of Python. Python was actually developed by Guido van Robson in late 80s and early 90s at National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in Netherlands. Python is derived from many other languages including ABC, Modula 3, C, C++, Smalltalk, and Unix Shell, etc. Python got its name from a TV show namely Monty Python Flying Circus. It is a British comedy series. ABC programming language is said to be the predecessor of Python language. In February 1991, Van Robson published the code to ALT sources. In 1991, Python 1.0 version was released with new features like lambda, map, filter, and reduce. In 2000, Python 2.0 added new features like list comprehension, garbage collection system. On December 3, 2008, Python 3.0 version is released. It was designed to rectify fundamental flaws of the language. Now we will see the various features, advantages of Python language. Python is a easy to use language. Python is an object oriented language with simple syntax. It is a high level language and thus very programmable friendly language. It is an expressive language. Python have a less number of lines of coded and it has a very simple syntax. Python is an interpreted language due to which it is easy to debug language. Python is renowned for its completeness. After installing the software, the whole library is installed itself. There is no need to install the libraries from other sources again and again. Python is a cross-platform language. Python can run equally well on variety of platforms such as Windows, Linux, Unix, MacOS, supercomputers, smartphones, etc. And hence we can say Python is a portable language. Python is freely and open source software. Anyone can modify the source code of Python by itself. Python has a variety of applications. It is the biggest advantage of Python language. Python language can be used in scripting, web application, game development, system administration, database application, and GUI programs. Now we will see the application of Python. Python is one of the many open source object oriented programming application software available in market. Python is used in many application domains such as web and internet development. Python offers many choices for web development. Frameworks such as Django and Pyramid. Micro frameworks such as Flask and Bottle. Advanced content management systems such as Plone and Django CMS. Python standard library supports many internet protocols such as HTML and XML, JSON, email processing. It supports for file transfer protocol, internet message address protocol, and other internet protocol. Python can be used for scientific and numeric calculation. Python is widely used in scientific and numeric computing. SciPy is a collection of packages for mathematics, science and engineering. Panda is a data analysis and modeling library in Python. IPython is powerful interactive shell that features easy editing and recording of work, service and sessions and supports visualization and parallel computing. Python can be used in education sector too. Python is a very superb language for teaching programming both at introductory level and in more advanced courses. Python can be used to develop various desktop graphical user interfaces. The TKGUI library is included with most binary distributions of Python. Python is also used for software development. Python is often used as a support language for software developers for build control and management, testing, and in many other ways. Scicon for build control, BuildBot and Apache Gun for automated continuous compilation and testing, Roundup and Track for bug tracking and project management. Moreover, Python can be used for business application. Python is also used to build ERP and e-commerce system. Odoo is an all-in-one management software that offers a range of business applications that form a complete suite for enterprise management application. Triton is a three-tier high-level general-purpose application platform. Python is also used for game development. PySaw is a 3D game engine supporting Python 3 which provides functionality and a library for game program development. Some games which are developed under Python is Civilization 4, Disney Toon Online, Vega Strike. Now, every programming language, or we say everything on the earth, have advantages and disadvantages too, or we can say the minuses of Python. Python is not the fastest language. Being interpreted language in comparison to compiled language is a slower language. Python have lesser library than C, Java and Perl. Python is not strong on type binding. Some type mismatch error always arise in Python. Python is not easily convertible. Translating the Python code into another programming language is not so easy for Python.